What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another model kit stash ad. First, I want to show you something that I got that I think is pretty cool. So we have the R&D Trucking Inc. Albuquerque, New Mexico Convoy rubber duck Mack truck. So this is complete. It just needs a little bit of help. This is a kit that was released in 1978 from ERTL. So it's a pretty vintage build that somebody did. So here's the two front tires. This kit offered the rubber duck statue that came with it, and it actually is still with the truck after all these years. So this is what's on the Convoy semi truck. So I could take this off. Just needs glued back down, put back into place. But there it is, right there. So there's some pins where this just needs to slide back into, and then the wheels need glued back on. The sleeper cab needs glued back on too. But this is a complete kit from ERTL from 1978, which is really cool. So we're gonna be fixing that up. Thing we have is the double dragster kit. Sadly, it does not have the Fiat altered coupe. We do have this kit pretty much already, the Yellow Fever from Atlantis, but we do have this front engine dragster. There is no decals in this, but all the pieces for the dragster are there, and there's a lot of pieces for the Fiat. So just kind of open it up and show you guys, I guess. But we got all the tires, all the axles, instructions, chrome tree, white styrene trees. And there's the body to the dragsters right there. There's the front. And the frame is down there. So it's all here. We do have one decal, but the rest are missing. But if I can grab it, we have this one right here. But that's what's in that kit. So I will probably be getting this kit just so I can build a different Fiat, because I do want to build the Yellow Fever as the Yellow Fever, and I really like the decals that are in this kit. So we'll probably be picking this kit up again. It has some really cool ones. So you can see them. There's flames and numbers and all that. But that's what's in this kit. Then another one that we got is an 87 Buick Grand National. There is no body, but everything else is here. So we got instructions. They have the frame, motors, the pieces to make flared fenders. So there's the interior tub. We've got two sets of tires. Some really nice rims. So if you guys watched my other stash video, I do have a Buick already. That's a monogram as well from like the 80s. So there's the tires. So maybe we'll put some of these custom parts on that one, or we'll just build that one with the pieces, and then we'll save this for maybe some other builds. But that's what's in that one. Then we have the Dan Grunley Oldstone Eagle Grand Prix car. So this car does have some extras in it, so I'll go ahead and open it up. It does have a photo etched pieces, but here's the frame and body, seat and tires. Chrome tree. This does have some really killer wheels in this kit. So yeah, some really nice wheels. I'll zoom back out. And here's the extra parts. Phototech P&D 12 IndyCar details. So I've never used anything like this before. So let me just try to get you guys into a little bit better lighting. But there that is. So Pegasus Hobbies 550 SNS Specialties from 1989. So then we got the glass, some decals. So this kit does have a sticky note on it as well for another car. So I don't know. The Rizlone Special 68 Winter, which is pretty much the same body style as this car. So I'm not sure. I think whoever had this first was probably going to turn this car into that. But this is a buyer's #1 choice kit, and it's MPC. Pretty cool. And then since we're on the Indy cars, here's another buyer's #1 choice Lotus Indy turbine car, STP. So this does have a push tractor with it, which is all molded in styrene pieces. There's the decals. There's the bag that has some of the car pieces in there, but it also has the tractor. So here's the tractor rear tires and front tires. Definitely pretty cool. Chrome tree for the Indy car. Wheels. Glass. And that's it for that kit. But definitely really cool to have that tractor. Go ahead and close this one up. And this one's also MPC. And then here we have a California Highway Patrol 78 Dodge Monaco. It has the new light bar with the new push bar. So there's what it looks like on the box art. There's the push bar, the light bar. You got the Tel-X and CB radar unit, weapons, steel rims. So we're gonna turn this into a Dodge Monaco drag car. So not gonna be using any of the police stuff. I mean, I kicked around the idea of maybe turning it into a police drag car, but I'm not too sure exactly. But hood and there's backs and interior tubs. Then we got the decals and instructions. So there's that kit. So that's another future build. Then we have this kit. Sadly, it don't have the Mickey Thompson Challenger in there. It does have all the pieces, but the body's missing. So pretty much I can build up, pretty sure, the engine and everything. So all these engines I can build. And then we have Tommy Ivo's 4-engine dragster, which is really cool. So let's open this kit up. Like I said, doesn't have the Mickey Thompson Challenger body, but here's all the blue styrene for it. So there's all the pieces to the car. Interior, gears, or wheel backs. Not too sure what all this stuff is, but it's there. Just don't have the body. So, chrome tree. Nice big set of wheels on that. So that one fell off. It's right here in the bag with some other miscellaneous chrome parts. Then we have Tommy Ivo's chrome tree. So wheels, all the different heads, and engine parts and things like that. So just knock that off, whatever that was. So have to remember that I put this one in the bag. But here's all the tires. Got slicks, skinnies. Here's all the parts to his dragster, molded in red. So definitely really cool. I mean, just the parts from Challenger 1 is nice to have, because never know what you're gonna build. But definitely happy to have the Tommy Ivo 4-engine dragster. And at last kit I have is Rosco Coltrane's Dukes of Hazzard police car. So this was a golden opportunity kit that somebody took the golden opportunity thing and cut that off of it at one point. But this kit is complete. It is taped shut, so I'll go ahead and get that open. I think the only thing that was on this one was somebody painted the body. So, yeah. Looks like they painted it. Or they might not have. It might just be the styrene. I know they did start painting some of the stuff. So maybe it's just this. But we do have some extra parts in here. Got some Stevens International tires, 1/24 scale. So there's that. Got the glass, golden opportunity certificate, the instructions. So Sheriff Roscoe's Police Car, 1/25 scale. Chrome tree. We got decals, which are in good shape. Hazzard County, County Sheriff, Rebel Flag, Warner Brothers Inc., 1981. So I'll probably go ahead and just slap these in the instructions. Got another set of tires. So I just think these are extra tires in there, a 124, so definitely ain't gonna fit the rims, but I guess I got a set of 124 scale tires. There's the light bar pieces, dash, firewall, all the different police stuff. Got some guns down there. Tommy gun, looks like a header. M16. Just pretty much everything for the kit. So we'll be building that at some point in time. Probably strip this and paint it myself, but we'll see. So now we got everything picked up and put away. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the kits. Let me know in the comments down below which one's your favorite kit. I have a few favorites, but I want to hear what yours are. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. Definitely appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free and it helps support the channel, helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.